Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss sample assessment question paper, Pure Math 1, Chapter 3, Equations and Inequalities. Solve the simultaneous equation y plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 and y square plus 5x square plus 2x is equal to 0. What we are going to do here is we'll take the first linear equation. We make y the subject here. So when you make y the subject, positive 4x goes to the other side, it becomes minus 4x. Positive 1 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 1. So we have y the subject here from the first linear equation. When we check the second equation, that is the quadratic here, we can see that there are two variables, x and y. For a quadratic equation, there should be always only one variable. So how can I make this quadratic equation in terms of one variable? Instead of y, I'll just replace it with minus 4x minus 1. So y square will become minus 4x minus 1 the whole square plus 5x square plus 2x is equals to 0. Now this portion here, minus 4x minus 1, we can use multiplying the brackets. So minus 4x minus 1 the whole square means it is minus 4x minus 1 into minus 4x minus 1. So when we do this, minus 4x into minus 4x, that will give me positive 16x square. Minus 4x into minus 1, that will give me positive 4x. Minus 1 into minus 4x will give me again positive 4x. And then minus 1 into minus 1 is positive 1. So we have the like terms plus 4x and plus 4x, which will give us 16x square plus 8x plus 1. Now, we'll take this back and substitute in this equation. So minus 4x minus 1 the whole square will become 16x square plus 8x plus 1. And then we have plus 5x square plus 2x is equal to 0. Collecting the like terms, 16x square plus 5x square will give us 21x square. 8x plus 2x will give you 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we need to factorize this quadratic. Two numbers, when we multiply, we should get 21, and when we add, we should get 10. That is 3 and 7. 3 and 7, when you multiply, we'll get 21, and when you add, we will get 10. Let's split the middle term here now. 21 here. So 21x square plus 7x plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Keep the middle sign as it is, split them into two groups. So 21x square and 7x, from the first bracket, we have 7x common. So when you take 7x common, we are left with 3x plus 1. From the second bracket, we don't have anything common, so we'll just keep 1 here. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can see that the things inside the bracket, they are the same. So until now, working is correct. So things inside the bracket, 3x plus 1, and outside the bracket, we have 7x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now, separately equate them to 0. 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1 by 3. And 7x plus 1 equated to 0, you will get x is equals to minus 1 over 7. So we got both the x values. X values are minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 7. Half of the question is done. We just have to find out what the y values are. So to find out y values, we know y is equals to y is equal to minus 4x minus 1. So when x is equals to minus 1 by 3. So when x is equals to minus 1 by 3, y will be minus 4 into x is minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So minus 4 into minus 1 by 3 is basically negative into negative is positive. So this will give us 4 by 3 minus 1. 4 by 3 minus 1. If you want, you can put it in calculator, or else you can simplify the subtraction of both the fractions you can do. You will get the answer as 1 over 3. 1 over 3. So when x is minus 1 by 3, your y value is 1 over 3. This is your first part of the answer. Second part is we need to find out what will we get y for y when x is equals to minus 1 by 7. So when x is equals to minus 1 by 7, we know y is minus 4x minus 1. So minus 4 into x is minus 1 by 7 minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1 by 7, that is 4 over 7. Minus into minus will give you positive. So minus 4 into minus 1 is positive 4 over 7 minus 1. If you want, we can just simply put this in calculator. You will get the answer as minus 3 over 7. So when x is equals to minus 1 by 7, your y value is minus 3 by 7. This will be your second coordinates. So this will be the first coordinate and the second coordinate. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, feel free to write it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.